Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna to discuss about Fibonacci extension. And if you have not yet watched the remaining videos like what is Fibonacci retracement and how to use it, and also we have made a introduction video of Fibonacci retracement, and in this video we're gonna to talk about Fibonacci extension, and along with that I also gonna to show you what is the difference between Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. So before getting started, make sure you subscribe to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. If you check once again if you have subscribed, it should show like this, and make sure you click on this bell icon and click all on it to get instant notification as I upload the video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you have missed any videos in this series, in this Fibonacci Mastery Course, just you come to the Indus Trader YouTube channel, and then we have a option of playlist, and click on this Master Fibonacci Retracement Analysis, or you can also might be you see Fibonacci Mastery Course, whatever the name, and if you once click on that, you will get list of videos here. At present we have only two videos in this series, but this series totally consists of around 7 to 8 videos, including the trade setups and as well as strategy videos. So in order to not to miss all the videos, as I said, subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on the bell icon next to it to get the notifications. Just what is retracement? Just we recall it. Any swing, this is impulse move in the swing, and we try to find the retracement or correction of that particular swing. And in some cases, it will not take retracement in any of this case. It directly breaks its low, its swing low, and takes support somewhere near below its low. So how to find it? This Fibonacci extension we can use in both ways. One is to make sure you set your targets, and the next one is to find the below levels, the extension levels. So how to do that? Don't get confused. I gonna to extend the extension, and it's completely depends upon you whether you are using it for entries, or like whether you are using it for your targets. So obviously with only one setup we will not take entries in any of this, and we are not even going to take entries directly from retracement or directly from the extension, either of these videos which I made three now. I gonna to upload a special video on strategy. In that I will explain you how to take entries, how to set up target, and how to set that stop loss and everything. So let's not talk about that. We are going to release the videos in the coming sessions on regarding that. On the first, you have to understand what is extension. So extension is nothing but the same tool we use. For example, let me show you the same tool, the Fibonacci itself. Like this is the retracement tool, and from 1 to 0 we get the retracements. This is retracement, and this from 1 to above this, these are called extensions. So how to use this? Simple. Let me straightforward take you to the example. This is Nasdaq chart. Okay, this is Nasdaq. Obviously what we do in the retracement, first of all I'm going to show you how to set the targets. Yes, this is Nasdaq chart, and this is one swing low and this is swing high. Let's try to find the retracement. I have explained you how to apply this retracement as I said in the earlier videos, and you can see if you are a regular follower you might have known about this level 0.6. Let me know in the comment section what is this 0.6, and let me see how many of you are following the series properly. So at 0.6 level it got the support, it have taken the support by forming double bottom, and thereafter it rallied. Usually we have the targets of this level. Usually we keep our target at the swing high, but we are seeing some strong trend. So now how to calculate this level? Up to this the market is travel the Nasdaq. So the very simple, in the retracement we apply the Fibonacci to the impulse move. In order to find the target, we are going to apply the Fibonacci to the correction move. Very simple, you have taken the entry here at the 0 0.6 after forming this double bottom, or like after getting rejection from this level. 0 0.6 is going to be our entry. We have taken entry here, and stop loss is somewhere below 0 0.6. And now let's find the target. It's very simple. Just this is the correction move, right? So to this correction move, just place the Fibonacci from top to bottom. Then you can see this 1.2. 1.2 is your target. And you can see there are likely, if 1.2 is not respected and not got rejection, then 1.6 we can expect we may get the rejection here. So in the same case, I gonna to also show you some more. Yes, this is Bank Nifty future chart, and just now let's say this this is a impulse move and this is a correction. So we have applied Fibonacci to the correction, and you can see exactly at 1.2 it got the rejection. So let's go to one more stock. This is Manipuram. So Manipuram stock, let's say you have taken entry in this particular swing. So I am also explaining you the Fibonacci retracement along with the extinction. So not to worry. First we have to find the retracement. So let's find the retracement. I have applied from this swing low to this swing high, and again you can see exactly at the 0 0.6 it taken the support and it have went up. So let's say here we have taken entry now. Let's mark this level. Okay, let me mark this level at 83. You have taken the entry. So how to set the targets? The target is very simple. This gonna to be your first target, for obviously a recent swing high gonna to be your target. But if you want to go for second target also, then obviously apply Fibonacci to this level, this particular swing. So I'm gonna to apply this correction, and you can see 1.2 and 1.6. So you can further at present chart I have given, most likely it would get rejection from 1.6, because we have a cluster here, structural resistance, as well as this Fibonacci extension level. Most likely you can, they I am recording this video on 26th June 2022, and you can check in further, might be taken resistance from here or not. You can check it out. So my prediction is like 90, it can take again one rejection here. If you have taken entry at 83, so you can place your targets at 90 in the Manipuram. So let's go to another stock. So very simple. I have also showed you the chart which have not formed. I am likely to show you the chart which is formed. So it is in the downtrend, and if you calculate this, and let's say you have taken entry here in the downtrend, so where you can place your targets, as usual we place at swing low, because it is in the downtrend. So I have applied Fibonacci to this correction move, and you can see exactly at this 1.2 as well as 1.6, and let me show you 1.6. Thereafter also let me extend it to, in order to show you this one, and further you can add levels, but this is much good target. You can also have lower levels even, but as I said, 2.6, that's the max target you can target in any stock. Okay, and now let's go to one more stock. uh, Not the stock, it's the index. You can see this is the impulse move and we got a correction, and we are going to calculate the target. So in this correction move I have applied the Fibonacci, and you can see exactly at 1.6 it got the rejection and started the downtrend. So this is how we use the Fibonacci extension, and you can see accurately. So as I mentioned you two ways in the earlier of the videos, either you can use for targets or like for the entry. So I have shown you the target, how we can use it for the entry. So for that it little bit complicated, but I don't think so you will get confused. If you are okay, comment in the comment section so I can make a dedicated video for it. But usually I use for the targets this tool, and you can also use for the entry as well. So, and one more thing I have to discuss. You see I have shown you the Nasdaq, that is in the 5-minute time frame. Bank Nifty futures I have shown in you 15-minute. Manipuram I have shown you in the 30 minutes, and Balakrishna stock I have shown you in 1 hour, and Dow Jones I have shown you in weekly time frame. So this is how we use this Fibonacci extension to place the targets and as well as some entry points. Like entry points are very simple, like for example this is the correction. If you place Fibonacci extension here, you will get this 1 point, so we get the rejection, so we can enter here. So we will make a dedicated video. Now for this video you just practice how to place the targets, and we are coming up with another video. Next video on is on Fibonacci projection, or like you can also say it as Fibonacci trend based extension. And thereafter we are going to show you some clusters, how to form clusters, and thereafter we build some strategies. I would also show you some swing strategies as well as intraday strategies, and thereafter we make some live trades using this. Thereafter we end up this Fibonacci course. Until then, I want your support. Please like the video and comment your feedback, whether it's if anything needed more in this content, or like yeah, how you are feeling this content. I want whether it's positive or negative. I want to know, and I want to take your feedback and improvise my video. And see, we make lot of efforts in the video to record the video, edit the video. Your one comment can make us happy and encourages us to make more videos. So I want your feedback as comments, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.
Fearless.